Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show in this tutorial how to use the massing and site. Okay, before we start, if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and click bell icon to receive any new tutorial, and don't forget like and share. So let's start. First of all, I go to the south elevation, okay, and create a label. I write here offset 4 meters and 1 2 3 4 5 like this. Okay, so what I do now, I go to this level 1, okay, and click on this massing end site, okay, and place mass. Okay, so close this one and mass 1. Okay, first of all I create this plane. Okay, here one line, here one, here. This is just my reference line. Okay, I create no, okay, this 3 is enough. So this I write here 20, and this I write here 10, this 15. Okay, so this is my one. I create here one model, one building model, 2 and 3. Just this is my reference line. Okay, if you want to select the one, so it's the center, so make just only this 2 line. Okay, so what I do, first of all I create this polygon. Okay, for example I click like this. Okay, so what I do, I click on this and go to this south elevation. So this is all my building height, floor height. Okay, so this is my polygon. I want to copy this here. Okay, so this one by one, it's difficult, it's hard. So what I do, go to level 1, click on this. Okay, copy, paste, and align, select label. Okay, I want to select this and shift, click with shift this all. Okay, so go to 3D view. So this is now every level have this so what I do, first of all I go to this level 2 and rotate this one, click place from here to here. Okay, and go to level level 3, not change, level 4. So go to level 4 and rotate place from here to here. Okay, and I did the 5 and go to 6 and rotate place from here to here. Okay, now select the 3D or select this all, create form. Okay, so now this is create, see the realistic, see this is the building shape. So this is number 1. This is the basic massing use. Okay, how to use this massing place inside. Okay, so this is number 1. Now I go to select them. This is the one building design. Okay, after I will show how to create the floor and how to create the curtain wall. Okay, this tutorial just for shaping. Okay, how to create the shape. And the other one, I select this, the other shape, I select this arch. Okay, for example here. Okay, this is just I create the reference line because this is 3 building in one place. So okay, this one, and I select this circle. Okay, so what I do, I select this one, copy and paste this one just I want to paste level 4 and level 7. Okay, so go to 3D. See, this is level 4 and level 7. Okay, so I go to the level 4, and this I want to rescale a little bit, so I want to like this small. Now I click this 3 and create a poem. Okay, so this is the other building shape design. Okay, and the third one, what I do, go to level 1, and I want to select this circle. Okay, and this one create this rectangle, and this is polygon. Okay, like this. Okay, so what I do, I click on this rectangular and copy paste and the label 3, for example. Okay, and I copy this one, copy paste 11 the level 7. Okay, and this circle copy and also the level 3. Okay, so what I do, see this no need this circle. Okay, delete this one, so delete this also. This is the level 1. Okay, click on this and create a form. See, this is the other shape of building. So this tutorial enough for this massing. Okay, so the next tutorial I will create here a floor and glass wall and everything. Okay, so it's very easy, and I hope you like this tutorial, and thank you for watching.